Hi everybody, welcome to Fractions Day 1. I'm going to start with a story. When I was little, my mom would always say to me and my sister, because there was only two of us, there was me and my older sister, I'm the baby of the family. She would always say, okay, you guys need to share this or split it. So we would take something like a Pop-Tart and we would break it like this. And guess which one I would want? Which one? Right, I wanted this one. And my sister, which one did my sister want? This one. Why did we want this one? Yeah, it's a lot bigger, isn't it? Would you want this one? No? Why not? Yeah. What do you think my mom would have said for this? That's not right, you two. This is not how we share. What should we do when we're sharing something? We should make sure both parts are the same. So it is fair when both of them are the same, because if I got this one and my sister got this one, I would be so mad. And if I got this one and my sister got this one, she would be so mad because they weren't the same. We had to have the same amount for it to be fair and equal. So today we're going to be looking at shapes. What shape is this? Good. And what shape is this? Good. So we're going to be looking at circles and rectangles and whether we divided them into equal parts or unequal or not equal parts. All right, so let's look at this. This circle, let's move it close. This circle, is this side the same as this side? Yeah, if it was a donut, I would pick either side. Let's look at this. Are each of these the same size? Yeah, they are. I tried really hard to make them the same size. Yeah, so if this was a brownie, apparently I like food. If this was a brownie, I would say that I could pick either one of these and I'd be happy if I was sharing with my friends. Okay, what about this one? Look at that. What do you think? Are they equal or not equal? Is this side the same as this side? No, this one is smaller and this side one is bigger. So they're not the equal parts. Look at this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, just like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Are all of these parts the same? No, so they're not equal. All right, let's look up here. Look at this. Look at these parts. Are these parts the same size? Are they equal? Yeah, they are. It's like cutting a pizza, right? You could have 4 equal slices. Just like this. If you cut the pizza like this, is that equal? No, I'd want that one. If I was hungry, I'd want the big one. All right, look at this one. There's 4 sections. Are these parts all equal? Yeah, these are all equal. What about this? If I had a cookie and I split it like this, is this side the same size as this side? Are they equal? No, these parts are not equal. Look at this one. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Are those parts all the same size? No, they're not. The reason why we are learning about equal or not equal parts is because when we learn about fractions, the parts have to be equal. They have to be the same in order to make it fair for fractions. Okay, so it's going to be really, really important that we look for equal, because we can't make a fraction out of this because they're not equal, but we can make them out of these. All right, so I'm going to put this up here. Now, I'm going to play a video for you guys about equal and not equal parts. And then tomorrow we have an assignment. We're going to learn more about fractions. All right, and we're going to work on some paper and you're going to turn that in. But today, you don't have to turn anything in. I just want you to really think about equal and not equal parts. And maybe if you're sharing with somebody, try to make them so equal so that everybody is happy with their piece. Don't be like me. Make them equal. All right, watch this video and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Today we're going to learn about equal parts. We're going to learn how to recognize if something shows equal parts or if something shows unequal parts. Hold on, my boss is giving me his pizza order again. I'm telling you, he loves pizza way too much. I mean, I like pizza, it's fine, but he's always giving me his pizza order. I'm always picking it up for him. And this is you know, I just gotta keep writing down, you know, he's got all these instructions. He likes his pizza a certain way. Oh, wow. Oh, he wants me to have some of the pizza with him. Oh man, and Ted and Gilbert. Oh, all four of us having the same pizza. All of us sharing a pizza? So what would that look like? What would it look like if we had this pizza put in 4 equal parts? How would we know that these parts of the pizza were equal? A pizza with 4 equal parts might look like this. Pretty cool, huh? We know the parts are equal because each of the parts are the same size. We're gonna play a game called Are These Equal Parts? Okay, it's not really a game, but we can make it into a game, right? Okay, it's not like checkers, it's not like chess, you know, it's not like basketball, like soccer, okay? It's not like a game, okay? But it's still gonna be fun, and we're gonna be able to see, work with me here, okay? We're gonna be able to see if these pictures show equal parts or if these pictures show unequal parts. So here is our first picture. Now we're going to be looking to see if this picture shows equal parts. And this picture shows how many parts? 2. Good job. Now, are these equal parts? Yes, this picture shows 2 equal parts, and we know they're equal because they're the same size. Now look at this one. This picture shows how many parts? Yeah, 3 parts. Now, are these equal parts? No, they're not equal parts. They're not equal parts because they're not all the same size. This picture does not show equal parts. Great job. Now let's give this picture a try. How many parts does this picture show? 3. Good job. And are these parts equal parts? No, they're not equal parts. Can you imagine if you got that bottom part, if this square was like a cake and you got that bottom part, that wouldn't be fair. Why? These are not equal parts. Let's give this triangle picture a try. How many parts does this picture show? Great job, 3. And are these equal parts? Yes, they're equal parts because they are all the same size. Equal parts means each part is the same size. Great job. What about this picture? How many parts does this picture have? Be careful when you count, it's a little bit tricky. This picture has 4 parts. Now, are these equal parts? No, they're they're not equal parts. How do we know? Because they're not the same size. I don't know about you, but I feel pretty good about this equal parts stuff. It just means that the parts are the same size. When they're the same size, that means they're equal. That's pretty cool. Let's keep going. No, with the game, the equal parts game. Why would there be a turkey and a dancing cow? We're doing the equal parts thing here, okay? Like, I meant let's get back to the game, please. Our next picture is this blue square. How many parts does this picture show? Great, it shows 4 parts. Now, are these parts equal? Are these equal parts? Yes, they're equal. How do we know? Well, these parts are equal because they're the same size. Check out this picture. It's a picture of a triangle. How many parts does this triangle have? Great, 3. Are these equal parts? Look carefully. Yes, they're equal parts. How do we know? Well, these parts, the parts of the triangle, are all the same size. Well, I'm gonna pick up the pizza now. I'm gonna split it in 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Parts. Oh man. Oh. I should have rehearsed this song before I started singing.